Hi, I'm Liana from Access Fixtures. In this video, we'll explore how Villa Palazzo, a residential community in Sacramento, California, transformed its outdoor lighting by upgrading from outdated high-pressure sodium fixtures to energy-efficient 2200 Kelvin LED wall packs. For over 25 years, Villa Palazzo relied on high-pressure sodium lighting. Still, these fixtures had uneven lighting, harsh glare, distributed light up and into homes, and had very high maintenance costs. It was time for the HPS wall packs to be replaced. The Villa Palazzo Hawaii sought a solution that provided uniform light, reduced glare, was dark sky compliant, kept light out of the residences, reduced energy and maintenance expenses, and provided warm light for the neighborhood. It was a lot to ask for, but Access Fixtures was up to the task. Access Fixtures recommended 2200 Kelvin Apto LED wall pack lights. These fixtures offer low glare, full cutoff optics with warm illumination and energy efficient performance, ideal for residential use. In total, 79 fixtures were installed throughout the driveways. To ensure results, Access Fixtures lighting engineers provided two detailed photometric analyses. One photometric study used Apto 20-watt light fixtures, while the other used Apto 30-watt light fixtures. Both studies were done with Type 4 optics, which distributed even light without glare or uplight. The 2200 Kelvin color temperature created a warm, inviting ambience. Fixtures were mounted at 8 feet for optimal coverage, finished in bronze to blend with the architecture, and installed with dark sky compliance in mind, addressing both design and environmental needs. Installation was carefully staged to avoid disruption. Old HPS fixtures were removed, new brackets inspected, and all 79 Apatio LEDs were pre-tested and precisely mounted. Final inspections confirmed even light levels across 130-foot driveways. The new lighting dramatically improved visibility and eliminated dark spots. Security personnel reported more effective patrols, and the HOA saw a drop in maintenance and energy costs, an all-around success for safety, usability, and efficiency. Residents noticed the difference right away. The HOA received overwhelmingly positive feedback, with one member stating, "The new lighting makes our driveways feel safer and more welcoming. And even our security team says it helps them do their job better." The Villa Palazzo project shows how modern LED lighting can completely revitalize outdoor spaces. With improved safety, energy efficiency, and aesthetics, this installation sets a new standard for residential upgrades. Ready to improve your facility's lighting? Visit accessfixtures.com or contact us today at 1-800-468-9925 to get started.